TrafficCop is MonetizeMore's award-winning invalid traffic solution. TrafficCop uses advanced machine learning and device fingerprinting algorithms to analyze the traffic quality of users visiting websites. If traffic is classified as high risk or invalid, TrafficCop activates its ad suppression technology so ads are not shown to that visitor. Therefore, ad fraud and invalid activity are effectively prevented. Publishers can significantly reduce the disastrous effects of IVT with this innovative solution. Our data engineers and machine learning experts have built and are continuously developing TrafficCop to eradicate the devastating impact of invalid traffic to publishers everywhere. TrafficCop has also evolved in so many ways over the years. It now offers a robust reporting suite that features more insights into your traffic quality and other forms of potential invalid activity. Best of all, TrafficCop can be integrated into your website in a few easy steps. You have the option to try it out for free for 7 days without any upfront charge using our self-serve platform. You will then be given instructions on how to implement the TrafficCop script and successfully integrate it in as fast as 5 minutes using 3 easy steps.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.